Did you know that anyone with a computer can make money online? You heard me right, and all you need is a working computer and internet access. In this video, I'm going to show you 5 websites that you can use to generate alternate streams of income and possibly even replace your 9-to-5 job. Isn't that awesome? On some of these websites, you can even make hundreds of dollars a day. The best thing about these ways of making money are that you don't even need to quit your 9-to-5 job. You can make money by working in your spare time. There are 2 different types of income streams. The first is active income. Active income is the type of income that you acquire working your normal 9-to-5 job. You only get paid when you are working. With active income streams, you are exchanging your time directly for money. The second type of income stream is passive income. Passive income is quite possibly one of the most important and central ways that the rich get richer. It's how you detach your ability to earn from the time you have in a day. It's automatic income and simply keeps coming in. Website number 1 is Fiverr.com. Fiverr is a website for freelancers. With Fiverr, you are making active income, but don't worry, we will touch on some passive income ideas soon. Individuals and businesses post jobs on Fiverr that they would like to outsource, such as photoshopping, script writing, video editing, coding, and many other things. There are tons of jobs and services being outsourced on Fiverr. All you need is to be a bit tech savvy and want to work. A great thing about Fiverr is there is a low barrier for entry. You just have to be good at something. If there is something that you are good at, like graphic design or coding, or just about any skill, head over to Fiverr and get started. Here's a tip. If you decide to get started on Fiverr, have a robust profile that looks good and includes a portfolio with any related works you have to show. This will help you stand out and will increase your likelihood of getting job offers from potential clients. Not everyone knows this, but you can actually make some serious money with YouTube. YouTube is a business that makes its money from advertisers who want to promote their products and services on the platform. YouTubers get a portion of this advertising income when their videos have ads running on them. Ad rates vary a lot depending on your audience and the type of content you make, but most YouTubers will get somewhere between 50 cents and $10 for every 1,000 views they earn. The best thing about YouTube is it is a form of passive income. Once you make the initial time investment of making a video, you can continue to make money from that video for years to come. How much can you make from YouTube? Honestly, as much as you want. As long as you keep uploading good content that people are willing to watch, you're fine. You can make anywhere from $1 a month to thousands or even hundreds of thousands. Once you get a large YouTube following, that opens the door to other forms of passive income. You can make money through paid sponsorships. To get sponsorships, you usually need a larger audience. Normally having over 5,000 subscribers is enough. Sponsors often pay similar amounts to what you make in ad money. That is, if you tend to make $1,000 each month in ad money, you can probably charge $1,000 for one sponsored video. Isn't that awesome? You can also make money through affiliates, but we'll get to that later because that deserves to be a topic on its own. A third way you can make money is through dropshipping. You have probably heard of this before because with the rise of e-commerce, this has become a great way to make passive income with minimal effort if you do it right. The dropshipping business model is essentially creating an e-commerce store and selling products to customers for retail price. You then buy the product from a wholesaler for wholesale price and have the supplier ship the order directly to the customer without ever touching the product. You then pay the wholesaler with a portion of the money you made from selling the product. The reason why dropshipping has become so popular is because there is no need to risk your money ordering hundreds of products ahead of time only to realize that they don't sell. You only need to order the product once a customer has bought it from your store. So basically you're acting like a broker or middleman. You can do this by opening up a Shopify store and linking it with Oberlo. Oberlo is an app that integrates with your Shopify store and allows you to easily source products and add them to your e-commerce store. Once you have Oberlo, you can go to a site like AliExpress, add the product to your store in a couple clicks using Oberlo, and mark the price up from the price you are buying it for on AliExpress. So yeah, that's dropshipping in a nutshell. If you're interested in dropshipping, there are tons of tutorials here on YouTube that will show you the step-by-step guide to creating your store, finding products, advertising, finding influencers, and finally shipping it out and getting paid. Website number 4 is ClickBank. ClickBank is a marketplace for affiliates and course creators to sell their courses or services to the world. ClickBank is a great place to make money through affiliate marketing. On ClickBank, you can find other people's products that have affiliate programs and promote their products and make commissions when their products sell. Affiliate marketers tend to attract customers by creating some sort of content like videos, blogs, reviews, or leveraging their social media followings. They then include links to the affiliate products and get paid whenever someone buys them. ClickBank only sells digital products, but the beauty of ClickBank is that the commission payout is so much higher than other affiliate programs like Amazon's. Some affiliates pay you as much as 75% for selling their services, while others pay as low as 5%, so keep that in mind. With that said, you can make some really good money on ClickBank, hundreds or even thousands of dollars. Simply head over to ClickBank, pick something to sell, and start making money. The fifth way you can make money online is by creating an ebook. While the publishing industry used to be very heavy in print, you can now complete the entire process of writing, publishing, and marketing a book all online. Websites like CreateSpace will let you upload and take your book to print without ever getting a formal publisher involved. And you can even get your book on Amazon so people can buy it there. Every time your ebook is bought on Amazon, you will receive money for the sale. The only thing you need to start making money from this is a book to sell. You can write this book yourself if you are talented, or you can hire someone to write it for you on websites like Fiverr. You don't have to be an established author or even have a publishing company to do this. You can actually do this from the comfort of your home and start earning passive income. Sounds awesome, right? The best part of it is it's absolutely free, so sign up and start making some money. Amazon takes care of the payment processing, so you can sit back, relax on your couch while making some passive income. If you are seriously considering Kindle publishing, you should definitely do more research on the topic. You can find free videos and tutorials right here on YouTube that will teach you the basics. Some people make over 200,000 publishing ebooks on Kindle, so it's definitely a great market to look into. This concludes our video on 5 ways to make money online. If you haven't already, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell. I'll see you next video.